1936 Rolls-Royce 2530th Sports Saloon by Freestone and Webb. Price: $36,500. Location: Colorado, USA. The 1936 Rolls-Royce 2530th Sports Saloon you are looking at today is not just a classic car, it is a rolling piece of automotive history, hidden away for years and recently brought out of storage. This magnificent machine represents an era when luxury automobiles were handcrafted masterpieces, built for royalty, aristocrats, and the world's elite. At first glance, its elegant proportions, towering grille, and timeless silhouette immediately command attention, reminding us why Rolls-Royce became the gold standard of luxury motoring. The story becomes even more fascinating when you discover that this rare automobile features coachwork by Freestone and Webb, one of Britain's most respected custom bodybuilders. During the golden age of motoring, wealthy customers often purchased a chassis and then commissioned prestigious coach builders to create a unique body. That means this Rolls-Royce was never just another production car. It was designed to stand apart from the crowd, making it an exceptionally desirable collector's piece nearly 90 years later. The heart of this vintage masterpiece is its smooth inline six-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering an authentic pre-war driving experience. Unlike modern vehicles filled with electronic assistance systems, this Rolls-Royce connects the driver directly to the road. Every shift, every turn of the steering wheel, and every press of the pedal becomes part of a mechanical symphony that transports you back to a completely different era of automotive engineering. The vehicle is packed with remarkable period features that continue to impress enthusiasts today. Among them are Lucas headlamps, drum brakes, a Webasto sunroof, a tilting windshield, Smith's instrumentation, beautiful wood interior trim, and classic steel wheels fitted with Dunlop tires. These details may seem simple by modern standards, but together they create an atmosphere of authenticity that cannot be replicated. Every component tells a story about how luxury automobiles were built during the 1930s. The interior is equally captivating. Step inside and you'll find handcrafted woodwork, elegant seating, vintage controls, and a cabin designed with sophistication in mind. The craftsmanship reflects a time when attention to detail mattered above all else. Rather than relying on screens and technology, the designers focused on creating an environment of comfort, elegance, and prestige that still feels special almost a century later.